Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to discuss the testimonial of a member who made $150,000 in just 7 months with Digital Wealth Academy DWA. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about future videos. If you are an internet marketer or you live in the digital world, you've probably heard of Digital Wealth Academy. DWA has been around for less than a year and is already the largest community on the school platform, with more than 60,000 members at the time of this video. With the course priced at $497, this program has generated over $30 million in sales. I want you to take a look at the testimonial from Farkhana Khan. She said, "Hi, I never write testimonials, but I just had to because I literally cannot believe what this course has done for me and my children. I could cry. I discovered digital marketing just 7 months ago through watching Rachel on Instagram. I am a former accountant with zero experience in this space, but as a single mom to 3 children, I was desperate for a change and wanted to give them the life they deserve. In just 7 months, I have made over $150,000. I've cleared almost $30,000 in debt, become a first-time homeowner, just returned from a 5-week holiday, and enrolled my children in private school. DWA has changed my life in ways I could have never imagined, all while maintaining my faith and working in a way that aligns with my values. It's the course that keeps on giving. Thank you so much, Rachel. You're truly changing lives." As you can see, she made $150,000 in just 7 months. Digital Wealth Academy is a Master Resell Rights opportunity, which means you can resell a digital product as your own and keep 100% of the revenues. Yes, you heard me correctly. 100% of each sale. Essentially, when you purchase this course, you'll not only learn all the strategies that help Farkhana generate $150,000 in just 7 months, but you can also resell the same course and earn commissions each time someone purchases it. It's a win-win situation. We all know that selling digital products is one of the best ways to make money online today. Unlike physical products, you don't have to worry about shipping and handling, and you can sell it worldwide. Note that this is not affiliate marketing, where you have to share the revenues with the program owner. With this business model, you have full rights and ownership over the product and keep 100% of the benefits. Personally, I am earning an average of $20,000 per month with this program, and my goal is to scale to $100,000 per month. And I am not the only one making money with this program. As you can see on my screen, Cindy made around $13,000 in 2 months. Monica made $62,000 in 2 weeks. Then you have Kay that made $14,000 in 6 weeks. Here you have Selena, a beginner that has never sold anything online before joining this opportunity, and she made around $2,700 in just 2 weeks. Then you have Jessica that made $80,000 in just 1 month. I can go on and on. There are thousands of testimonials like these on their platform. The program has been translated into multiple languages, such as Spanish, German, Italian, and French, so you can promote it all over the world. I believe this program is so attractive because it's much easier to promote a program that is already selling well than to create one from scratch. Creating an online course usually requires a lot of time and money. You have to build a community and gather many testimonials, which can take months or even years. With DWA, you get ready-made courses, an established community, and plenty of testimonials right from the start. All you have to do is drive traffic to your offer and start making money immediately. When you purchase this program from me, you will get a copy of this exact sales funnel. As you can see, this funnel is different from what everyone else is using, and it is converting like crazy. There is a live chat in the left corner of this page where you can contact me directly, and I will answer any questions you might have about this opportunity. You will also receive a copy of my email sequences so you can follow up with your leads whenever they enter their email. You will also get access to the training I created where I show how I am using Facebook ads and AI to generate $20,000 per month with this opportunity. Additionally, you will receive my bonuses, valued at $1,932, for free if you get started today. Most importantly, you will be able to use my bonuses as your own. So all the members you sign up will also benefit from these bonuses. These bonuses are the reason we can generate sales after sales with this program. Think about it for a minute. You'd be getting the same type of leads that I am getting and using the same exact sales funnel with my videos and email sequences. If I am able to generate $20,000 per month with this program, don't you think you can replicate the same results? I think this is a no-brainer, and you are not alone. This program has a huge community, testimonials, and support. If you have any issues, there will always be someone ready to help. You only need to make one sale to get your initial investment back. If you want to join Digital Wealth Academy and learn how to generate $20,000 per month, click the link below this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.